So now we are going to do an exercise that involves all the tenses we have learned so far. Mettez les verbes au temps qui convient. So we are going to fill in the blanks with the verbs in the convenient tenses. So they have not given us a particular tense. So far what we have done, the exercise would be either for present tense or for passé composé or for futur proche. So now we are going to choose what tense will be suitable for that particular sentence. So shall we begin? Nous, the verb given is aller, dash, ayons fait chez Pierre. So I choose to do this in the passé composé. So now if we take the verb aller, it takes être. So for nous, the aller conjugation, the être conjugation is sont, nous sommes, and the past participle of an er verb, aller. But when we take être, we have to see for the agreement. So now the subject is in the plural form, so we add an s. Nous sommes allés à une fête chez Pierre. So we went to a celebration with Pierre. Je, and the verb is manger. So now, since the first sentence gives us the meaning that we went somewhere, so the other sentences are just an explanation of what happened there. So since the first sentence is in passé composé, the other sentences are also in passé composé. So je, and the verb is manger. So je mange. Now you will be able to do all these faster, right? So je mange des sushis et je bu du champagne. So since both these verbs take avoir and the subject is je, so je mange and je bu. So bu is the past participle of the verb boire. Now the next sentence, lui, ne, and the verb given is aimer and pas les sushis. So now aimer, the verb takes être conjugation. So a. Now if you notice, for a negative sentence, ne and pas comes before and after the auxiliary. So n'a pas aimé. N'a pas aimé. Lui n'a pas aimé les sushis. Il, now the verb prendre, so il a pris. Il a pris des toasts. Now the next sentence, nous, and the verb is rencontrer. So since it is nous, the avoir conjugation is avons. Nous avons, and for an er verb, the past participle is rencontrer. Nous avons rencontré des amis. Now the next sentence, l'année prochaine. That means the following year, the next year. So now this word here gives us a hint that the sentence should be in the future. So nous. Now for the future, what is the rule? We have to write the aller conjugation plus the infinitive of the verb. Now the aller conjugation for nous is allons, and the infinitive is already given. So l'année prochaine, nous allons faire un voyage en Australie. So this sentence is in the future. How did we know that? This word here is a hint that we need to conjugate this in the future tense. So now you know how to choose whether a sentence is in the past, present or future, and you know how to conjugate the verb in all these three tenses.